Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 6.4 on AlmaLinux 8 server. This is my server information, operating system, server IP address, RAM, disk space, Zabbix version, PHP 7.4, MySQL 8.0. Now I am checking server version and IP address. This is AlmaLinux 8.8 and this is my IP address. Must be your server upgrade using DNF option Y upgrade command. It will take 5 to 10 minutes for download and install upgrade. Total download size 541 megabyte. So please wait for download and install and upgrade your server latest release. Server update and installation done. Now download Zabbix 6.0 RPM package and then DNF clean and switch to PHP 7.4 version. Now run this code DNF module, switch to PHP 7.4, press Y for this is OK, and now install Zabbix dependency package for Zabbix Server MySQL, Zabbix Web MySQL, Zabbix Nginx Conf, Zabbix SQL Script, Zabbix Linux Policy, Zabbix Agent. This tutorial using web server is Nginx. You can use Apache or Nginx, anyone. Press Y for accept, install and download. Press Y for Zabbix official repo, add this repo, press Y. Now installing my all package. My Zabbix package installation done. Now install database server MySQL 8 using DNF install MySQL server. MySQL database installation done. Now start MySQL service and enable MySQL D service and then check status is 6 seconds ago is running. Now set up MySQL root password using blank password. Default MySQL password is blank. So now I am reset my root password, flash privilege, and then create database for user Zabbix. This is for all script. Now I am running is one time, all is successfully running properly, and import default Zabbix database using create db and create user. This is user and this is db, and then type Zabbix user password, default database imported done. Now again going to MySQL terminal for change global settings. The log trust creator 0. plus privilege, and then exit from MySQL terminal. And step 5, add database name, username and password into your Zabbix server conf file. Scroll down, this is db name is db, and Zabbix username is _user, and Zabbix password is Zabbix@123, and then remove hash mark, then Ctrl X, press Y, hit enter for save. And step 6, set up Nginx web configuration. Open this Zabbix conf file, remove this hash mark, and then type your server IP address, or if you use your domain name, so you can type here your domain name, press Ctrl X, press Y, hit enter for save. Now restart all service using this command. Successfully restart my service and enable this service. And step 8, firewall settings. Start firewall T service, and then allow 80 port for web application. If you use HTTPS SSL, so must be allow 443 port also. Also allow 443 if you use HTTPS. This is for Zabbix using port 50 and 100. Then CMD reload, and finally open a Linux config file, and then must be disable, and then save and exit, and then your server reboot. Now reboot successfully done. Now check SCS status is disabled. Okay, fine. Now going to set up, access your server IP address and complete web installation process using this URL. Continue this site. Yes, Zabbix 6.4 is coming. All is green. PHP 7.4, all is status okay. Click next step. DB name Zabbix_DB, username Zabbix_user, and Zabbix user password is Zabbix_123. And click next step. Now I am Zabbix server name is, you can use any name here. Next step. Click next step. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. Finish. Now login using default login is admin and Zabbix. Must be used capital A, otherwise not login to your server. Zabbix server is running, yes, successfully. 6.4 version 6.4. Yes, you can find more tutorial from my YouTube channel. For monitor your network or host or your server, disk, RAM, CPU. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.